Important articles of Indian Constitution. These information useful to Tspsc, UPSC, PSC exams. There are 448 articles in 25 parts, 12 schedules, 5 appendices with more than 100 amendments in the Indian Constitution. Part 1. Union and its territory. Article 1. Name and territory of the Union. Article 2. Admission and establishment of the new state. Article 3. Formation of new states and alternation of areas, boundaries and name of the existing states. Part 2. Citizenship. Article 5. Citizenship at the commencement of the Constitution. Article 6. Rights of citizenship of a certain person who has migrated to India from Pakistan. Article 10. Continents of rights of citizenship. Article 11. Parliament to regulate the right of citizenship by law. Part 3. Fundamental Rights Article. Article 12. Definition of the state. In laws inconsistent with or in derogation of the fundamental rights. Important fundamental rule. Initially, the Constitution of India provided 7 basic fundamental rights. Now there are only 6. The right to property U by A 31 was removed from the list of fundamental rights by 44th Amendment Act 1978. A legal right U by A 300 A was made and included in Part 12 of the Constitution. Rights to equality. Article 14. Equality before the law. Article 15. Prohibition of discrimination on the grounds of the religion, race, caste, sex or place of the birth. Article 16. Equality of opportunity in the matters of public employment. Article 17. Abolition of the untouchability. Article 18. Abolition of titles. Right to freedom. Article 19. Guarantees to all the citizens the 6 rights and they are A. Freedom of speech and expression. B. Freedom of assemble peaceably and without arms. C. Freedom to form associations or unions. D. Freedom to move freely throughout the territory of India. E. Freedom to reside and settle in any part of the territory of India. F. Omitted. G. Freedom to participate any profession or to carry on any occupation, trade or business. Article 20. Protection in respect of conviction for offences. Article 21. Protection of life and personal liberty. Article 22. Protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. Rights against exploitation. Article 23. Prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor. Article 24. Prohibition of employment of children under the age of 14 in factories and mines. Cultural and educational rights. Article 29. Protection of interest of minorities. Article 30. Rights of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions. Rights to constitutional remedies. Article 32. Remedies for enforcement of fundamental rights. Part 4. Directive Principles of States Policy. Article 36. Definition. Article 37. Application of DPSP. Article 39A. Equal justice and free legal aid. Article 40. Organization of a village panchayat. Article 41. Right to work, to education and to public assistance in certain cases. Article 43. Living wages etc. for workers. Article 43A. Participation of workers in the management of industries. Article 44. Uniform Civil Code applicable in Goa only. Article 45. Provision for free and compulsory education for children. Article 46. Promotion of educational and economic interest of scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and OBC. Article 47. Duty of the state to raise the level of nutrition and the standard of living and do to improve public health. Article 48. Organization of agriculture and animal husbandry. Article 49, protection of monuments and places and objects of natural importance. Article 50, separation of judiciary from the executive. Article 51, promotion of international peace and security. Part 4a, Fundamental Duties. There are 11 fundamental duties. 42nd Amendment Act 1976 added 10 fundamental duties. 86th Amendment Act 2002 added one more to the list. The Constitution of India is unique for its content and spirit. The Constitution of India decides the rule of the land and is taken as the supreme law of the land.